Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to be learning a step-by-step guide on how to create this awesome investment and trading website. So in this website, you come to its homepage, about us, contact us, and then you login area. You click here on the login area. You'll see how awesome and sleeky the login area looks. So this website is strictly for investments only. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install this particular script on your server. Step-by-step guide on how to install this script on your server. So if you have not subscribed on our channel, this is our channel. This is my channel. So you hit on the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, because every time we drop awesome videos like this, it's going to help you. If you come across this channel helps you to learn and also helps you to earn. So in this process of you learning, you are also earning, because you can be able to take care of this job or this tax for a client and charge them and then make money from it. So what we're going to do now is to show you the step-by-step guide on how to install this beautiful investments and trading script on your server. So what we need to do now is to go to our cPanel. For those of you that don't know how to get domain name and hosting, I'm going to link a video to this particular one on the description, so you can be able to figure out how to get your domain name and hosting. Also, in this video, I'm going to be using my main domain to install this server, so you guys will understand how it's being done. So once you get your domain name and hosting, it's going to take like few hours for them to activate your hosting plan. That's your cPanel. So once you get that, you just scroll down to domain, this area. You click on the domain. Once you click on the domain, you are going to find this. I already created subdomains, that's why it's much here. You're going to find this as your main domain. So once you see this as your main domain, all you're going to do is to click on this public underscore HTML with this house logo. Click on here. So once you click here, you're going to find out that everything is empty here. You don't have any file inside. You'll be the one to upload this file on your server. So all we're going to do now is for us to click on upload here and then select file. So we're going to look for the file we want to upload on our server. We're going to select this file and we are going to search for the file we want to upload on our server. So we're looking for the file, and we have the file here. So I'm going to click on this same file. It's loading. So what I'm going to do here, what I'm going to do next is, while we are waiting for this file to upload, we are going to create our database. So we go here and search for database. This is its database wizard. It comes out on its own. This is database wizard. So you click on this database wizard. So what we're going to do now is to create a new database for this file that we're uploading on our server. So we're going to use bookmark dbb. So you click on next. So we're trying to use the same name as our username, and also we're still going to use it as our password, so we don't have to stress ourselves copying a lot of things. But to you can choose a different name for you can choose the password for your own for your own tutorial, or for your own job, if you want to do that for someone, or if you want to do that for yourself. So we'll click on make changes. What we're going to do next is for us to check if the file has uploaded, and here it is. The file is ready. So what we're going to do here is to come to this file manager and reload. Click on this, click on this and right click on it and click on extract file. Okay, the file has been extracted, and close. So over here we don't need this zip file anymore, so we're going to delete it. Skip, confirm. And then what we're going to do now is to open this folder. Opening this folder, we're going to select all the folders here. We're going to click on move. Clicking on move, remember, I want you to watch closely on this. We are going to clear this folder's name here that says bookmark. Clear this, and clear the /2. So you are going to move the file on this public_html. You should not clean anything on it apart from the folder's name and the slash that is there. You don't have to clean everything. So you're going to leave this line like this, and then you click on move. So automatically the whole files here has moved to the public_html. So if we're going back up one level here, you'll find out that all the files has moved to the public_html. Over here, you're seeing it here. So what we're going to do here now is for us to get our database. You go to let me show you. You go to this area, SQL, and then you click on your database. Once you click on it, it's already downloading. So you go back again. Also, if you are finding it difficult to follow up on this video, guys, there is an installation guide here. All you need to do is to right click on it and then click on view. So over here now, thank you for buying the script. It shows you how to download and extract the scripts, how to create your database and import your database SQL files. It shows you how to configure your DB, like the password we created earlier. It shows you how to set up your SMTP and how to add your payment methods on your script. So over here now, we're going to look for phpMyAdmin. Click on that. What we're actually going to do on this area is for us to look for the new database that we created and then upload the SQL file that we just downloaded to the new database. So this is it. We're going to click on import. We are going to choose the file so that we go to a download area and look for our file. This is it, database SQL. Click on it and click on import. So automatically our file has been imported successfully. So what we're going to do now is for us to go back and and finish up with the other settings on our file manager. So we go back to the public underscore HTML. That is from the file manager, and we're going to click on config here. Now we're going to click on this db.php, right click and click on edit, click on edit again. So over here now we are going to take this database username and database password and database name to edit our db.php. So we're going to click here on this database username and paste the new one. We click on this database password and paste the new one. We'll click on this database name and paste the new one. So over here we can set up our SMTP configuration. This is where you set up your email configuration. So over here you see the notification of this is your email configuration area and this is your payment method configuration area. So actually I'm not going to be doing all that. I'm just showing you guys how to set up the site to run smoothly. But with this with this information here, you can be able to set up your SMTP configuration. So what we're going to do here now is for us to click on save changes. So once you save this, we are going to run our website to see if it's live. We're going to run our website to see if it's live. So we'll copy the URL and then paste it on a new tab. Let's see if the website is live. So you can see that the website is live. It didn't even take us like how many minutes to set this up. You have the exact script I showed you. So over here, if you want to go to the admin area, if you come over this side, this is the admin area, admin logins. So the information here is that your site URL /uadmin/login.php. So we're going to take this slash, copy this area and go to our site URL, which is this, and paste it. Then let's check up on the admin area. So click on this, enter. So over here you get to see that you have your admin section. So we're going to click on that installation guide again and take the email address for the admin, and which the password is 123456. So we are going to input the email and input the password. Mind you, once you have the script, you can choose to change your admin email and your admin password to be the one you want, to your favorite admin email and admin password. So over here is the dashboard of this wonderful script, and this is the user management area. You can see all users. You can see all users. So over here is for you to manage your investments. No investment plan available. Over here it's for the deposits, pending deposits, complete deposits. Here is the withdrawals, pending withdrawals, completed withdrawals. Here is for you to manage the plans, all the plans you have on your website. This is where you manage it. Here you can see all the plans. Okay, plan A, increase 5%, $50, $500. You can change it, you can tweak it, you can change the prices you want. Over here, here is the connect. Here is the connect. Here's actually where you connect your wallet phrases. Like you're using if you're using like Trust Wallet, you can connect it to this script, and you have the information here. So here is where you can send messages to all the users, and this is your settings. Settings, you can change the domain name to your actual domain name, change the site name, change your support email, and then change the percentage your referrals get. Over here is the account of the admin. You can change the admin email, change the password, and change everything over here. So let's check on the users and see if we can be able to see. So over here you can see that this user just created user test to create this account. They also have KYC. You can choose to not verify it or verify the KYC. Then once you're done, you click on update over here. So what we're going to do on this script is so that is it about the script. It's very, very, very active and slicky. So if you're looking for something like this and you want to get it for your investment plan or your crypto trading plans, I'm going to drop a link where you can get this particular script. So thank you guys for sticking around with me on this video, and please if you like what we are doing, smash on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you can get a wonderful videos just like this. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day.